To share Best Places neighborhood rankings. Start by visiting the Best Places website and navigating to the Neighborhood Rankings section. Here you can search for specific neighborhoods or browse through the rankings by city or state. Once you have found the rankings you want to share, click on the Share button, which is usually located at the top or bottom of the page. You will be given several options to share the rankings, including social media platforms such as Facebook and Twitter, as well as email and messaging apps. Choose the platform you want to use and follow the prompts to share the rankings. You can also copy and paste the link to the rankings into an email or message if you prefer. Another way to share the rankings is to embed them on your own website or blog. To do this, click on the Embed button and copy the code provided. Then, paste the code into your website or blog, and the rankings will be displayed on your site. When sharing the rankings, it is a good idea to provide some context and explanation. This can include information about the criteria used to determine the rankings, as well as any notable trends or findings. You can also compare the rankings to other neighborhoods or cities to provide a more comprehensive view. Best practices for sharing Best Places neighborhood rankings include being transparent about the source of the data and methodology used to determine the rankings. You should also be clear about any limitations or potential biases in the rankings. Additionally, consider providing additional information or insights to help your audience understand the rankings and what they mean. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively share Best Places neighborhood rankings with others, whether it is on social media, via email, or on your own website or blog. This can be a valuable way to provide information and insights to your audience, and to help them make informed decisions about where to live, work, or invest.